Tired of spending hours searching for jobs, filtering through listings, and applying manually? What if I told you that you could automate the entire process using AI without writing a single line of code? Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify automation to save you time and effort. If you love smart workflows, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech hack. Step 1. Setting up automation. We'll use Make.com to build an automated workflow that fetches job listings, filters out duplicates, and ranks jobs based on your profile match. The best part? No coding is required. Step 2. Scraping job listings from LinkedIn. First, we need job listings. Go to LinkedIn, search for a particular job in a given location, and copy the URL. We'll use an RSS feed to collect jobs from LinkedIn automatically. You have to sign up to RSS app using your email account. After sign up, go to Create New Feed, search for LinkedIn RSS Feeds. Simply paste the job listing URL into the RSS app. Click on Generate to generate an XML feed. And plug it into Make.com. Search RSS node, select Retrieve RSS feed items in the URL field. Paste the XML URL from RSS feed. And set the maximum number of returned items to a big number. Click on Save and then save the scenarios using Save option on the bottom left-hand side toolbar. Click on Run once, and now you can see our first node are running fine. Step 3. Storing job data in Airtable. Now, we need a structured way to store job data. We need Airtable. Go to airtable.com, sign up using your email. After sign up, you will land on homepage. Click on Plus Create. Then select Start from Scratch. Click on Untitled Base, rename the base as you like. Click on Table 1, click on Rename Table, and rename the table as you like. We create a table with columns for job title, description, date, and application link. This is where all the magic happens. Came back to Make.com and Sirac for Airtable, select Create a Record. Click on Connection. Click on Add, select the connection type as Airtable token or key. You can get the key from Airtable platform through following the step. And paste your personal access token of your Airtable. I am not doing it here because I have already created that, so I will click on Close, but you have to paste your personal access token and then click on Save, then select the base. Select the table, click on Title and drop the RSS field. Click on JD and drop the RSS field. Click on Job Posting Date, and then click on Timestamp. Click on Link field, and then drop the RSS link field. And after this, save the scenarios using Save option on the bottom left-hand side toolbar. Run the scenarios and check whether you are getting the entry in the Airtable. If you encounter this error, select yes on this radio button and then repeat the previous step. Now go to Airtable, check the table. Now you can see we have got the job listing. Step 4. Filtering out duplicate jobs. We don't want duplicate jobs piling up. So, we set up a filter that checks if a job already exists in Airtable before adding it again. This keeps our list clean and fresh. Select Add a Module, then search Airtable. Select the search record, and select the connections, select the base, and select the table. In the output fields, select the link and formula, write this. And limit, select the sum big random number. Click on the middle of the to node to add filter in the conditions. Select the link. And in the basic operators, select the does not exist. Click on Save and run the scenario. Step 5. Scraping job descriptions for more details. Not all job listings have detailed descriptions in the RSS feed. So, we use an HTTP request to visit the job page, extract the content, and feed it into AI for analysis. Search for HTTP and select the Make a Request and drop the RSS field link in the URL. On the parse, select Yes, and then click on Save. Go to your Airtable and delete the topmost entry. Came back to make.com and then save the scenarios and run it. Here we are getting the data of the jobs. And now go to the make.com. Step 6. AI-powered job match score with ChatGPT. Here's where AI takes over. We send the job description to ChatGPT, along with your resume summary, and ask it to generate a job match score. This helps prioritize jobs that fit you best. Search for OpenAI and select the chat completion. You have to add your API key. I'm not doing it here because I have already done that in the model. Select GPT-4o. Mini in the role, select the user, and then I am copy-pasting this prompt. This particular data is coming from HTTP node, which tells the OpenAI that you have to provide the job summary within 215 character, and summary must include particular field. And set the max completion tokens to 0. Carefully follow the exact steps I demonstrate in the video, making sure to replicate each action as shown to achieve the desired result without any errors. Add a ignore error handler. Again, add the same node here. We make change in the prompt. We are getting the job description from previous node, matching it with the candidate resume to generate the job match percent. Set the max token to 0. Organizing and sorting jobs by match percentage. Go back to your Airtable and add resume match percent field. Comes back to make.com. Click on Airtable search for the updated field and paste result from previous OpenAI node. Delete all the jobs from Airtable table. Save the scenarios. Add a ignore error handler for HTTP node and both OpenAI node. And run the automation. Now, every job is stored in Airtable with a match percentage. You can sort them easily to focus on the best opportunities first. No more wasting time on irrelevant jobs. And that's how you automate job hunting with AI. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, happy automating!